Right, let's take a global view now and turn our attention to the Zika virus that is causing worldwide concern. Experts are now warning African governments to be on the lookout for the viral infection that was first detected in Uganda nearly 70 years ago. The World Health Organization is warning that more needs to be done to stem the spread that has seen millions of people in the Americas infected and over 4,000 babies born with deformities. Trix Ingado reports.
The disease that is spreading wide and fast across 23 countries and territories in the Americas has grabbed the attention and concern of health experts worldwide, with the World Health Organization declaring it a public health emergency of worldwide concern. And in many affected regions, the virus is strongly suspected to be behind unprecedented cases of microcephaly, in which babies are born with abnormally small heads and damaged brains. Back home, experts are advising that African governments and their respective health ministries remain vigilant against the Zika virus that has affected millions in the Americas in order to avoid similar outbreaks locally. Dr. Ruchika Kohli, a clinical pathologist at the Nairobi-based pathology laboratory, said there may not be a rapid spread of the virus in Africa in the short term, but advises caution and vigilance nonetheless.
With international travel, international trade, the reality of Zika spreading to the rest of the world, including Africa, is a reality. In terms of, are we gearing up for a Zika epidemic or pandemic right now? No, I don't think we need to be worried at that scale. But of course, I think our government, our health ministry need to be aware that there is a potential of spread into our country.
The WHO declared the Zika outbreak a global emergency on Monday. Experts hope that the declaration will trigger more international funding and greater efforts to stop the outbreak, as well as prompt research into possible treatments and vaccines. Symptoms of the virus include fever, skin rashes, redness and joint pain for 2 to 7 days. Infected persons recover with rest, treatment of fever and common medicines. Zika, which is spread by mosquito of the Aedes species, was first discovered in Uganda in monkeys in Zika forest in 1947 and in humans in 1952. The countries affected by Zika virus outbreak include Brazil, Colombia, Panama, Venezuela, and 20 other mostly Latin American states. 4 continents still struggling with diseases such as malaria, AIDS and Ebola, the possibility of a Zika virus outbreak poses real economic and social threats. It is for this reason that government officials all across Africa are being warned to pay heed to the real danger and take necessary precautions. Trix Ingado, KTN News, Nairobi.